Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the color workspace and loading Lumetri. Make sure scopes are visible. First, correct white balance using temperature and tint sliders so skin tones read neutral on the vector scope. Then adjust exposure and contrast to place highlights and shadows within legal range. Watch the waveform. Once done, pull down highlights and lift shadows to preserve detail. You'll keep everything non-destructive, using clip copies or adjustment layers to retain the original. Now you move into targeted corrections and the creative grade. Start with curves. Place an S-curve on the RGB to add punch while using hue vs sat to reduce or boost specific colors. For precision, use HSL secondary. Sample the color, refine the key, then adjust exposure, temp, or saturation to fix or enhance that range. Next, shape overall balance with color wheels. Lift shadows, push midtones, tint highlights slightly. Make subtle moves and check scopes frequently to maintain natural. Finish by matching all clips. Use comparison view and apply match as a starting point, then nudge temp, tint, and color wheels for consistency. Once shots read the same on scopes, consider a final LUT or creative look. Lower the intensity to avoid clipping. Export using the correct color space, Rec. 709 for web. Choose 10-bit if possible. If you see banding or blown highlights, reduce contrast, soften the curve, or enable dithering. Make sure to recheck on multiple displays.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.